My name is Anastasia, and it's been almost a year since I came to this diverse and dynamic city of Toronto. Moving to Canada all across the world was one of the hardest decisions I've ever made in my life, because living in a new country is always frightening. You don't know when, who, and what expects you there, but somehow everything settles down as soon as you find what you truly love. I have always had that passion for cooking, but I was never taking it seriously until I discovered a culinary program in George Brown. Knowledge and skills I've got here are priceless, but more importantly, there is always room for creativity and newness that allow you to grow day by day. Being in George Brown, you're always inspired by such an exceptional atmosphere that you're surrounded by, and professional chefs who are mentoring you throughout the whole year and happy to assist you at any time you need. George Brown College made me not just a better cook, but a better person within this year. I've learned how to be more respectful, cheerful, and strong no matter what. And I'll be always grateful for this incredible culinary journey.